So today we'll be talking about an important tool that we must learn how to use. We just must learn how to use it. Okay? We just must learn how to use that tool, which is TradingView, because that's where we do our analysis. That's where we, and which is what we are seeing right now. And how to get to this website is a free tool, right? But there's a premium part of it. There's a premium aspect of it. There's a premium side of it. But the free aspect of it, or the free version, is good enough for us. For now, it's very good enough for us. Like, it's enough for us to do our analysis. All you do is just go to www.tradingview.com, tradingview.com on your browser, and it will bring you to this website. Then you sign up. You sign up, you press the area, get started, and they ask you to sign up. That button where they put this thing, you sign up there. You see the sign up button here. This one here, you do your own, sign up. Okay, let's do it together. Let's see what they're gonna say. Let's do it together. You see the price here, $13 for 1 month. So when you click the sign up, you use your Gmail, Google account, there are other options where you can use, other email addresses that you can use, on and on like that. So for me, I use my Gmail. Okay, I use my Gmail. So I'm already signing up with my Gmail here. I'm already, I want to sign in now, not sign up. I need to sign in. So I've showed you how to sign up already. So for me, I want to sign in. So I come to this button icon, then I click on sign in. But for you that you're just starting to sign up, okay? So I'm trying to sign up now. I think I've been able to sign up now. Sign in already. And for you there, have you been able to sign up, Tomiwa?
I'm yet to sign up because I don't want to leave the class to do that. But I think after the class, I can do that.
Okay. But
So
Mr.
signing up
English,
shouldn't be an issue.
okay. You can do the signing up on your phone if you are using your laptop to watch this. Or you can do it on a separate phone, and later you just log in. Mr. Hendricks, have you signed up already?
Yeah, I have the account already.
Okay. And Tomiwa, I didn't see your assignment of yesterday.
Yeah, I wasn't around. I had a long day today, sir. So immediately I go to my laptop because your code I opened up since
Send your
that's why
assignment
I'm here
after
to
this
do it.
lesson.
Right.
Okay, so when you do the sign up, you see your name initials here. And this is my own, my name initials here. D, the D you are seeing. It means that this view you are seeing is an account. But then they are still suggesting for me to sign up for a premium version. You can see for $13 for 1 month. This one, and the plus version, that's $28 for 1 month. This one, the premium. They have standard for their subscriptions. This one for the expert, $99, almost $100 per month. And they have a 1-year plan too as well. And this one, the ultimate subscription, almost $200 for 1 month. And all this one do is just you'll be able to do some replay of some pairs, like back testing. You can back test easily, do some replay, fast forward, replay some previous data, all those stuffs. That's the benefit you are going to enjoy when you subscribe to when you take up one of all these subscriptions. It's even there, it's written there. 20 price alerts, you can have an alert there, 20 technical alerts, 10 parallel chart connections, 2 charts per tab. You can open 2 charts on one tab. Unlike this free one, it's only 1 chart you can open. So if you want one chart, I mean one currency pair. So if you want to open another currency pair, you need to open another tab. But if it's subscription, you can open 1 tab, and on 1 tab, you can open 2 charts. That's 2 currency pairs, maybe gold on this side and Bitcoin on the other side. And you can be looking at them simultaneously, you know. You can be looking at them at the same time, okay? And for this other $28 one, you can open 4 charts. For this other one, you can open 8 charts. This $99, 10 charts, 16 charts, and 5 indicators. But for the free one, you can't use indicator. You can use all those strong indicators. And they wrote it there that the zero watch list, that's watch list alert. You know, there are some alerts that you can set on your watch list that alert me on my watch list. But for free version, you can't do all those ones there. So those are the benefits. You can see those are the benefits. Bar replay, meaning you can replay the chart. That's the meaning. And all of them is having that opportunity. Indicators on indicators, chart data export, you know, all those benefits, and some what's it called? You have benefits to some, what do they call them? Should I say indicators too? Then they have their own this thing to like line breaks, Kagi, Racon. I don't know what they do because I don't use them. But if you pay for it and you try to learn about them, you will know what they do. So those are the opportunity you're going to get when you sign up for a subscription. So all you need to do after entering here, you just need to come to product, because all we need is the chart. So you come to the super chart. Okay, that's all we need. You come to the super chart, product, come to the super chart. That is the chart itself. That's all we need. That's all we need. And we can see the chart has already, you know, is already showing up to us. The candlesticks is coming up. So normal, the standard and the default color of your candlestick that you're going to see is green and red. The green for the bullish move, that's the up move of price, while the red for the bearish move, that is the downward move of price. Up move of price, I mean when price is rising, you see the candlesticks printing green color candlesticks. And when price is falling, you will see the candlesticks printing red color candlesticks. Okay. So it's loading, you know, it's not fast enough. I don't know. Maybe because of my internet. I'm expecting it to load very fast, but it's slow at this time. Let me okay, let me share another screen because this one is not loading that fast. I've tried to load it again. Let's see. Still again. Okay, let me share another screen, another tab. Okay, let me share another tab. It's still the same, but this one is loading slowly. I've shared another tab to us. Okay, let me share. Can we see my chart now, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's still the same. It's still the same that's going to show, but on I just sent this one. I just sent it out to the group. I don't know if you guys saw it. This chart, this GPP card. I just sent it out
Oh, okay, yeah.
that
Yeah,
people should
I
start
don't
selling,
know.
and it has started playing out already. Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it, but I don't know when. Okay, can we enter it? I
Okay,
don't know why I
yeah.
can't
Let's
read
jump on
it.
it. Let's jump on it, but with a smaller lot size. Let's jump on it. Let's jump on
That
it.
my it's 0.01 or what?
No, use is 0.05. Okay, use is 0.05. Let's jump on it. Hold on, let's see. Use is 0.05. So when it retests, you are going to enter one more position. But if it doesn't, leave the 0.01, 0.05 like that. But if we should retest, we just add one more position so that we have two position, one position from the top again to. Okay. So to continue our this thing, let's not get distracted. Let's continue our stuff. So let me open a new chart that has no analysis on it, so it can be fresh. So this is all you will see. You will see stuff like this on your chart, and you will see some other things like line bars below here. Just come to this delete, click on it, this delete button here, and it will write for you remove all indicators. Click on it, remove all indicators, remove all drawings and indicators, so that your chart can be as clean as this. Because we need a clean chart. We don't need a rowdy chart. We need a very clean chart. We need a clean chart, okay? We need a clean chart so that you can have all this. So if you want to change your own color, because this one is looking like all my charts, all my candlesticks are black, but they are not black, not completely black. There's the buy is like gray. If I should zoom it and you see it clearly, the buy is like a gray color, while the sell is black. It is clear for us to see. But when I zoom them to the smallest part, it's like they are all completely black. I love it that way. Why? Because I discovered that the green and red, they affect my psychology. When I'm on a buy and I'm seeing more of the red printing, I'll start panicking like, hey, price is not selling, it's going against me. And intentionally, that's human being for you. When you see red color, you start panicking because red symbolizes danger, right? So you start panicking. And when you are on a sell and you see green, and green color means, everything is bubbling, right? It means, so you start panicking as well that, this thing is now turning green. The bulls are, and you're on a sell. So that's why I changed my own color. So colors that, because our strategy is price action, and we're only concerned about these numbers here. We don't really place much concern on candlesticks. It's just this number here that is a major concern to us. So let me now show you how you will change the color that's where we should start from. Then I will explain some tools, all these tools to us, all these bar at the top. I will explain to us what they mean, how to. So if you want to change the color, just right click. Is it right click now? Left, is it right or left? Yes. Right click. Right click on your mouse. Then come to the settings. Okay. Then you see this symbol. This symbol. Come there. This is where you will change your candlesticks. Okay. This first one is for the bulls. That's the buy. You will see green, green, green. You change it to your taste. The body, that means the body of the candle, the borders. If you want to put border, you put border. The wick, what the wick color should be like. So this one, the first one here, the green is for is the green, and the second one here is for the red. So you change it to whatever color you want to change it to. So this is what I changed mine to. Then you click OK. And here you can also change your time zone. So I'm in Istanbul, Turkey. So that's why I click on Istanbul, Turkey here. You can change it to Lagos, Nigeria. You can look for Nigeria here, Lagos. It's there. See Lagos, Nigeria here if you're in Lagos, Nigeria. So wherever time zone you are, London, Tunis, that's Tunisia, Cairo, that's Egypt, Jerusalem, Qatar, if you're in Qatar, wherever you are, if you're in Tokyo, if you're in, New Zealand, so that your candlesticks will be in line with the time zone that you are in. Okay. So that's why I chose Istanbul, because I'm in Istanbul currently. I'm in Turkey. So I'm working with my time zone. So that's that for that. If you want to change your candlestick colors. Okay. So now up here are the
What
time
about the
frame.
background?
Yeah, if you want to change the background as well. Okay, yeah, that's true. That's the Canva. You come to the Canva. You still come on the settings, right click, come on the settings, come to the Canva, then you see the background. You can change it to whatever color you want to change it. Solid color means you want to choose solid color. Gradient, you want to mix the color. So you see when I choose gradient, it has changed. Well, let me go back to my solid color. So then the grid lines, you click it as none. The text, depending on the background that you pick, the text, I use black because my background is white, so I have to click white. And the text font size, this is the text font size. The line means all this line when your price is moving, what you want it to be showing. All this line that you're seeing as price is moving. I choose black because my background is white. My crosshair is the line. This one is the line here. This one, sorry. The crosshair is this price that is moving with price. This line that is moving with price, that's the crosshair. I choose black. Okay. And you can choose the pattern you want. Maybe line like this, or maybe thick line like this. The pattern that you want. If it's line like this you want, or anyone, and how thick you want it to be, you can choose it. You can choose it in accordance to what you want. Okay.
Okay.
The crosshair is this line that when I'm moving my mouse, you see this cross that look like cross. It's the crosshair.
Okay.
Yeah. And this other one is part of the line price. All right. Give me like 2 minutes. I'm coming. Okay, let's continue, guys. Sorry about that. So now this, to this point, we understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant. So now all these ones here we are saying here are the time frames. And so for me, I use monthly. I start my analysis from the monthly to the weekly to the daily to the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and I just put 1 minute there. I don't really use it, but sometimes I just check what is happening. If I want to see the micro move of price. So this is where you select it. You see the arrow here, this arrow beside. They say that add custom interval. So you come down, you click on this arrow so that it will favorite it for you. You click on the arrow of the this thing you want. So you select 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, which is daily, 1 week, which is weekly, 1 month, which is monthly. So you can select as many as you want, but I start my analysis from monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, like that. Okay. So that's that for that. And also for this, okay, I said I'm going to explain something to us about how to find, or how to, a cheat code, okay, for how to find our resistance level and support level using a kind of a way, which I'll tell us, I'll show it to us off recording, okay?
Okay.
I'll show it to us off recording. So yeah, the type of bar you want to see, or the type of information you want price to display for you in form of this chart, okay? Type of information you want price to display for you. Candlesticks, you click on candlestick, you favorite it. Line chart, you favorite line chart. And there's one I seeking, this I seeking hash. For those that scalp, is a good this thing for them. Okay, for those that scalp, it's good for them. I barely use it, but for those that scalp, it's very, very good for them. It's a type of candlestick that is good for them, for scalpers. But this too is very important for you. Line chart, and I'll explain to us how to use the line chart. And candlestick is very, very important to us. I don't use indicator, so I barely don't know what the indicators to click. I don't use it. So this one is the alert. If you want to create alert on any of the price levels, you come here to create alert. But since I'm using a free version, so I can't create alert. This one is to replay. You want to replay past information. When you are back testing, you click on replay. There's a way you cut it, and you want it to replay forward to see what price has done. You know, that's that for that. And this one is to undo and redo. To undo some information that you've typed, you know, you undo it, you redo it, and all. Okay. And all these ones are the tools, quick tools that are available for you to use, which are the same thing here. Okay. They are the same thing here, but this one are the favorite ones. Instead of coming here, you just favorite all these ones here, which I will tell us how to do them. This is this is what you want your cursor to display with. I chose the crosshead or the dot. So I majorly use the crosshead, the cross, okay? So you can choose the two if you want to, but this is important. Like how my cursor, when I come to the Canva, you see this cross line I'm showing is because of this favorite that I pick here. And the moment you favorite it, it will come here at the top as favorite, okay? And this one is the trend lines, okay? The trend lines, that's the lines. So you need to favorite trend line, the first one. This one, this ray, you favorite it to as well. I have recently learned how to use this one to draw accurate trend line, accurate trend line. You favorite it. Horizontal line, this one too, you favorite this one too. Okay, it's very important. Horizontal ray, let's favorite it too as well. Cross line, let's favorite it too as well. Vertical line, let's favorite this one too as well. Parallel channel is important too. We use this parallel channel to have a channel. A channel means a path, okay? As they say, channel is a path where you have the resistance and the support. The resistance is at the top, the support is at the bottom. That's the path where price has been following. So you draw a channel for it, like something like this. Something like this. I can have, where's my channel? Yeah, this is my channel. I can have something like this as a channel. Okay, you can see price touching here. You can see this is a channel here. Price touching here. Price touching here like this, then dropping like this. You can see this is a channel. You can see it's a channel of how price has been moving. So that's how channel looks like. Okay. To draw a resistance, you know, this top here is the resistance, this bottom here is the support. Hope is making sense to us, right? So that's how to use a channel. Okay, it's just for you to draw your support and resistance at the same time instead of drawing them out differently. It's just for you to draw your support and resistance at the same time. Okay, so let me tell us again what to favorite: the trend line, the ray line, that's the ray, horizontal line, horizontal ray, vertical line, cross line. Okay, and parallel channel. And parallel channel. Okay. So then let's come to the next one, which is the Fibonacci. The only thing we need here is just the Fibonacci retracement. The Fibonacci, let's favorite it. The Fibonacci retracement, which we are still going to learn how to use that too as well. But these are important tools that we need. Okay. And on this side, yeah, the Fibonacci. And this one is for Elliott wave. It's another strategy that we understand because price is always moving in waves. All these break of structure that we are seeing, they are all waves, all these things. So this is another high level of trading knowledge. The Elliott wave, and I won't lie to us, I'm still learning it too. I've not yet, come to a full understanding of it. So that's why I don't talk about it much. If you notice in the community, I don't really talk about it much for now because I'm still, digging myself into it until I have a full knowledge of it before I can start talking about it. But then, if you still want to just have it in your favorite tool, you can have it there. This is it here on my own place. The Elliott Impulsive Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the Elliott Correctional Wave ABC. You can favorite it too if you want to. And yep. So for this one, the long and short, that is the buy and sell. You know what I mean by the long and short position. You favorite it. And this is it here. This one, these two. This is for short when you are shorting. And this is for long when you are longing, when you are going long. Okay. So you can also favorite it because you need it. And this one is just for writing purposes. Okay. The brush. That is this brush here that I was using yesterday to write out stuff. Okay. And the highlighter, this highlighter is just that round circle that I'm using to, you can change the color if you want to. Yeah, you can change the color here. You can change it to green if you choose to change it to green. So highlighter and arrow. This is the arrow here, like arrow to point to like the one I used yesterday, to point to whatever direction you want to point to. So that's that for that. And then rectangle, this box here that we used to draw our demand zones, supply zones, fair value gaps, and all like that. Okay, the box. That's the fib, the box, and the part 2. Let's highlight it too as well. The part. This is the part 2. The part 2 is to draw your higher lows, higher highs, all these ones like this. When you start want to, this one. That's the part 2, to draw a part. And also let's put the circle. Let's also put the circle there too as well. And then the text. The text too. Let's rewrite the text and leave all these ones. All these ones, I don't really use them again. It's just, let me even take them out. I don't really. Just the text is enough here. Okay. And ruler, I think that's all that they allow us to favorite. So this one is the ruler, to rule, to check measurement of stuff. It's just to check how many pip is this ruler. 0. It's just ruler. And this one is the magnet. This one is to keep drawing. If you lock it, whatever you are doing, we keep doing until you just leave it on lock. Don't lock it. Yeah, don't lock it, please. Lock all drawings. That's if you want to lock all the drawings on the Canva. Okay, and this one is hide, to hide every drawings, and this one is delete, to delete whatever you want to delete there. And at the end, you will see everything you favorite. You will see them at the top like this. You will see them like this at the top. They will arrange like this at the top of your chart. Everything you favorite. Okay. So why this one is to, I think you want to name your chart. If you want to name the chart, you want to name it. Okay. This one for search settings that we went to the other time, full screen. This one is for full screen. And this one is to take it to, if you want to save this thing, just click it, download it. That's if you want to save the download of your chart. Just click like this camera icon here, then click on the download. The full chart, this Canva is going to download on your system. Then you can send it out to people. You go, if you want to have a save of your analysis, you can have a save of your analysis. Okay. So I think that's all for now on Canva. There's nothing on TradingView. Let's say Canva. That's all for now on TradingView that I can explain to us. And yeah, this button here is watch list. Watch list means the list of what's it called? The list of currency pairs that you want to trade. Your own might be new, because my own, I arranged it, I renamed it. You see here, I wrote forex. That is currency pairs that are not major currency pairs. Aside from, and if you see here, I wrote GBP currency pair. And what you only see here is GU, GCAD, and GJ. That's the 2 currency major that are major for GBP. And here you will see Euro, and you will see EU, ECAD, and EJ. And every other ones, I put them under forex. And there's a limit to how many currency pair you can open like this, because you are not premium version. You're using a paid version. There's a limit. And also, I renamed this one. I put gold here, and I also renamed this one. I put crypto, and the only thing you will see here is Bitcoin. So if I want to come to my Bitcoin chart, I click on it. It will show me my Bitcoin chart. Okay, this is my Bitcoin analysis here. If I want to come to my gold chart, I come to the gold, this thing, watch list. Then I click on gold. It would show me my gold chart. This is my gold chart here. Okay. So how to add stores? Alert. The alert, this same alert here. If you want to create alert on any of these currency pair. So how do you add stuffs on this currency pair? How do you add it? Okay. If you click on this add symbol, all what you are seeing here are broker. Okay, all these forex.com, capital.com, they are all brokers. Okay, so if you want to analyze, maybe mention any pair, guy. One of you should mention any pair.
EUR USD.
AU,
EUR.
EUR. No, let's do another pair. Let's do. I have the EUR already there. EUR USD.
AUD
That's
USD.
AUD USD. Yes, AUD USD. You can see all the AUD USD of all brokers will come up to you. So you are the one that will now know which one to choose. So if you click on this add button, it's already telling you that you want to add it to your watch list. So I already have it here, and I already have the forex FX broker on my listing. If I check, I think I should, because it's already telling me that did I want to remove it from my watch list. So meaning I already have it on my watch list. So you can select which broker you want. So let me add this one broker to my watch list. You can see it has added. You can see it here. This it says that it has added to my watch list for a different broker, Wando broker. But let me see the one I have before. Let me come to, this is the one I have before, AUD USD, of which broker? Let's see, FXCM broker. You can see. So these brokers too, they have different, like their spread is always different. Yeah, like this one now, the spread here is 2.4 spread. So let's come to the other one, the Owando. Let's see what spread is Owando. You can see Owando is using 3.7 spread. But all we just want to do is analysis. So and that was what affected our this thing, that hit stop loss. The trade that we took
The card.
is because of the
Card.
spread of the broker, and I told us the solution. If you remember that morning, I told us that solution in the morning. Okay, that we'll just use our information in accordance to the spread of our own broker that we are using here. So that's how to add to the watch list. So if you now I added AUUSD, but it came into crypto folder for me. I've renamed all my folder. So you can just drag it, pick it and drag it and bring it to any of the folder you want to drop it in. So now I want to drop it in my forex folder. I've dragged it, I've bring it here. You can see now that it's inside here now. This is it here, Wando. You can see. But since I have one there already, I will delete it. I don't need it. So you can just rename. If you want to rename, right click on the folder name and rename, and delete every other thing you have there. Like these indices, I don't have anything there. I don't have anything on these indices. I can rename it and put another stuff there. These features too, I don't have anything there. I can rename it or delete it, or I can just rename it as maybe AUD pairs, AUD currency pairs, and all AUD pairs. I'll just put them there if I want to. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So you can rename all your own too, delete every one that you don't need, because I know there will be a lot there by default. There will be a lot there by default. You can just delete them, rename them, so that you understand what you're doing. If I need gold information, I will just come to this gold folder. And if I need to add more charts of different broker, I can just add more gold charts of different broker inside this folder. That's if I don't want to delete this, or I don't want to tamper with this analysis I've done and I want to start a new analysis, I can just pick another broker and add it here on this gold and then start a new analysis. That's if I don't want to delete this one, I still want to have it. I can just pick another gold chart of a new broker and just do my analysis. So that's that for that. And that's all. That's all for TradingView and how to use it. Nothing much. Nothing much. And I don't use indicator, so that's why you are not seeing any indicator on my chart here, because I don't use it. I don't use indicator. So that's all, guys. I think with this explanation, it will enable us to know how to use TradingView properly. I don't know if you have any question.
No.
Do we have any question?
I
No,
don't.
There's no question. Okay. So I want to stop recording now so I can explain some other things to us behind recording.